Hi Nazava users! In this video, we will tell you how to assemble the Nazava water filter. In each package, there are the following items: the stand, then you will find a Ziploc bag that contains the user instruction that will show you how to assemble, use, and maintain the filter. In the Ziploc, there is also the Nazava Protect, the filter element that will purify your water. The Nazava Protect for the Nazava filter is L-shaped. Make sure there are 2 wide rubber O-rings. In addition, you'll also find 1 wingnut to which a hose is attached. The blue hose increases the filtration speed. In the Ziploc bag, there is also a sponge for cleaning the Nazava Protect and a measuring tool that is used as an indicator to find out whether the Nazava Protect can still be used or whether it is time to replace. Continuing to the next section, there is one upper tank where you can pour untreated water from your tap, well, tank, or spring. Next, there is a lower tank that stores the filtered clean water that is ready to drink. Make sure to tighten the faucet that has been installed again by turning the nut on the inside. Finally, you will find a blue lid in the box which is used to cover the upper part of the container to prevent dirt from entering. Now, we will also assemble the filter. First, wash your hands. Then, place the stand at the location where you want to install the filter. Next, place the lower tank on the base. Make sure it fits. Then, install the Nazava Protect in the upper tank. When installing the Protect, only touch the blue plastic, not the white ceramic. In that way, it will not break. Remove 1 O-ring from the Nazava Protect and install the threaded nozzle into the hole in the upper container. Then put the second O-ring on the Nazava Protect and tighten the Protect with the wing nut that has the hose attached. Turn it clockwise and tighten just enough, not too loose and not too tight. Make sure the Nazava Protect is installed correctly. Then, place the upper tank on top of the lower tank. Make sure there is no gap to prevent dirt or dust from getting into the tank. Lastly, install the lid. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest video notification from Nazava. How to greetings to you all.